Ladies and gentlemen, today is an absolutely incredible day. Let's go ahead and get this on out of here. This is the Ekster Cardholder Pro Eclipse Color. You're not going to want to miss this, so watch the whole video through. As we get this out, excellent news for you guys. The top link in the description box below is going to be a direct link as well as a coupon code for 10% off whatever Ekster offers on their website, including the Cardholder Pro Eclipse Color, but not to mention the tech backpack, the viral vacuum bags, travel bags that Ekster offers as well. I highly recommend their backpack. I use it for traveling. I have it inside right now. It's a great backpack. Anyway, 10% off anything on their website, wallets included, top link in the description box, as well as the coupon code, and it's in the pinned comments as well. But definitely watch the whole video first. Got our little brochure right here, but you didn't come for a brochure. You came to see the beautiful Eclipse Color right here. Ooh la la, absolutely stunning. Let's get that out of the way for right now. This, my friends, is a beautiful white color, white cash band, E logo right there for Ekster, metal push button right here. Here's your temporary cards. We're gonna go ahead and load it up, don't worry about that. A black metal push button. We have an Ekster logo right here, beautiful white Eclipse color. Ekster logo right here, and you have another little temporary card in the back. This, my friends, is RFID blocking technology. You have your expansion plate right here where you can fit cash, you can fit more cards, you can put coupons, your Costco card, you name it. Let's go ahead and put the cards on in. And I'm not light with these wallets. I get in there and I slap them on in. Now, something you have to keep in mind is that I use my car key. I don't like Bluetooth, so I use a physical key. And what's awesome is that I literally mountain bike, road bike with the wallet in my back of my jersey. This is the one I've been using for a long time now. This is the Cardholder Pro in the orange color. Same exact wallet, Eclipse color, orange color. Love it. This literally saved me on a road bike ride, popped my tire, had my card in my jersey, inside my wallet, was able to replace my inner tube and get home safely. Anywho, looking at the wallet here. So if you've never seen Ekster, this is what Ekster is known for. I like to use my most used card on the front or on the back. What does that mean? That just means for easy access. So I push my button, they distribute absolutely incredibly like this, and then I use my most used card on the back, and then what I use is I slip it back on the back side of my other cards, push it on down, or let me go ahead and do this for privacy because I do actually have my cards in there, or my most used card on the front, using the back of this here, slipping it back in, flapping it back on down. Again, you could put cash on the front. You could put cash underneath here if you want it a little bit more hidden. Let's go ahead and show you that. I got two 20s, and what I do is I just put it up like that, and I fold it in just like that there. Just boom, boom, up and down. Or if you don't want it flashy like that, then what you can do, again, inch that up with your finger, and you can put it underneath, hide it a little bit more, or you can put more cards underneath there, or your coupons, like I said. This does hold up to 14 cards, but that is also including the expansion plate here. So right here inside, I have 6 cards inside the actual slot, and then you can put more cards again underneath the expansion plate, cash, coupons, receipts, you name it. I keep my receipts, I keep my Costco receipts, and so that's a great way to hold your receipts and hold on to them. Beautiful, beautiful Eclipse color, absolutely stunning. Beautiful metal push button. You don't have to be light with this thing. Absolutely whip this thing around, or of course take them all out, distribute through them, put them back in, slap them on down, and you have yourself a little stew right there. Again, same exact wallet, just different colors. Had this one for a super long time. Thoroughly enjoy it. But I'm thinking about switching it out for the Eclipse color, which is absolutely phenomenal. But definitely also stay tuned because I am going to be posting another video of the Damascus color, which is absolutely incredible. You're definitely not going to want to miss that color. And I should say that's the Japanese Damascus color, which is unbelievable. So stay tuned for that video. This, once again, is the Eclipse color. Also, real quickly, if you're in between wallets and you are a MagSafe compatible person who loves MagSafe, check out their Cardholder Pro. For MagSafe, you're able to attach this on the back of your phone. It also has add-ons as well. Take a look at my other video. I already have posted that if you're interested in a MagSafe wallet by Ekster. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, if you want 10% off of whatever Ekster offers on their website, top link in the description box below, but make sure you use the coupon code code for that 10%. It will be in the description box as well as the pinned comment. Again, this is the Cardholder Pro in the Eclipse color. We got the orange color. We got the Cardholder Pro for MagSafe. And then also make sure you check out their tech backpack. Highly, highly recommended as well. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos, DIY house projects, and more. My name's Chris, and I will see you on the next video. You guys have a great day. Your links are below.